COVID-19 vaccines will not reach everyone until 2024, vaccine producer says. The Serum Institute of India, the world's biggest vaccine producer, said that it will take years to produce the targeted doses of COVID-19 vaccines. CEO Adar Poonawalla estimated about 4 to 5 years for everyone to be vaccinated. This estimate included a 2-shot vaccine regimen. According to the Irish Times, Poonawalla ordered 600 million glass vials and other materials in April. He placed these orders to prep the company for mass production of COVID-19 vaccines. However, he expressed concern in the steady spike of cases in India. The rise of COVID-19 cases in the country could overtake the number of doses. It would become an issue to transport millions of doses safely to more than 1 billion people. Poonawalla said, "I still don't see a proper plan on paper to do that in India beyond 400 million doses. You don't want a situation with a vaccine where you have capacity for your country but you can't consume it." To have everyone vaccinated, 15 billion doses of a safe and functional COVID-19 vaccine is needed. The doses will be delivered in 2 shots per person. But even with sophisticated equipment, the entire demand is beyond the capacity of the institute to produce within a year. So, the CEO is discussing with investors to expand the capacity of the company. This way, the producer can obtain what it requires for the next 1 to 2 years. Because it is the biggest vaccine producer, several pharmaceutical companies are working with Serum. These companies include AstraZeneca and Novavax, which are leading the COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials, among others. There are reports as well that the producer may work with Gamaleya Research Institute to produce the Sputnik V vaccine. According to Business Insider, the Serum Institute can produce 1.5 billion doses of different vaccines annually. Some of these vaccines are for influenza and polio being distributed to at least 170 countries. The demand for COVID-19 vaccines will require the producer to adjust its allocation of doses. As such, improving the overall capacity of its manufacturing is one way to sustain vaccines for COVID-19 and other diseases. The move is definitely better than dedicating all resources to COVID-19 vaccines. This is because other vaccines protect millions of people from other infectious diseases. Poonawalla's talks with investors aim to raise $600 million to enhance Serum's production capacity.